Hi, I'm Travelbug Sue and welcome back to my channel. Here is where we talk about point hacking, and that's getting points for your frequent flyer account. And with me, we talk about Qantas frequent flyer accounts. Now, whether you like it or not, credit cards are a big part of it.
Oh, sorry.
Credit cards are a big part of point hacking because you can get a big lump sum of points all in one hit. And they're a speed trap to bumping up points by using them every day for everyday spending and not spending just to get points. That's where a lot of people fail. By paying bills and everyday shopping with a credit card, you can double your points, you can triple your points all in one hit. And with specials that are on offer, sometimes it can be like multiplied by 10. So outside flights, these are your biggest way to success in getting points for your frequent flyer account. And just one credit card can do it, or you can get more than one. So with point hacking, credit cards are your way to success. Okay, but if you can't pay it off, well, you may not be turning left when you step aboard, because if you can't pay your credit card off, you will be paying fees and there's just no point. So when paying the balance of a credit card in full by the due date, I think we all know there is no penalty. There's no interest or late fees. You only get fees when you are late. Auto payments are available, and this is the best way if you can't pay it off in full or you can't remember, is to set it up in auto payments. There are international transaction fees and cash advance fees, which is not a good idea. And there's also fees that retailers put on to cover their merchant fees, but it's usually only 1 to 3%. So really, it's not that much. So credit cards are a big part of life at the moment. They stop theft from carrying, so you don't have to carry cash, and they help you gain a good credit score, of course, when you pay them off. Now, when shouldn't you own a credit card? Well, when you cannot pay the balance in full, or if you spend more than you earn. Call it overcapitalizing, and it's not a good idea either. And more importantly, why should you own a credit card? Because they give you protection as a customer, and they give you free insurance, and they allow you to earn large amounts of flying points. But just remember, when choosing a credit card, you must choose the right one for you. If you go on to Qantas.com, you can find Qantas Point earning credit cards there, and they're all very different. So with a credit card, you go onto the Qantas site as always, go up to frequent flyer and across to earning points. This, by the way, shows you lots and lots of ways to earn points. But anyway, at the moment, we're going to go down to cards and banking. And here is where you will find the best credit cards for point earning. So I've just gone into one bank. So this is Westpac, for instance, and there are other banks there. But you can see here, there's one card, and if you just scroll down, this gives you a great comparison, and it's all done for you. So this one, the thing to look at is the points, the bonus points. So that's going to give you 120,000 bonus points. Wow. And this one, well, that only gives you 60. But if you have a look, the big thing, there's your annual fee, $250 on that one, and $99 on that one for the first year, and then $150. Okay. Also, you earn more points. You earn more points the more you spend on this card as opposed to this card. But again, if you can't afford the annual fee for this one, don't get it. Get this one. So therefore, this is a great tool for anybody looking for a Qantas Point earning card. So if we go back and then we go to the nav, so as you see on the site, it will show you all the different options that you can get, and some, like this one, has got status credits on it if you're into status credits, and that's a completely other review I will do later on. So this one's got a big 130, but as you see, it's $295 annual rate. Okay, so these cards, they all have rules as to getting the points. You don't just get them when you get the card, and I'll show you a little bit more about that. If you go down to terms and conditions and go up here, you get 130,000 points for this card and 75 bonus status credits. But if you read down, you will see that to be approved, you must spend $3,000 on an everyday purchase within 60 days of opening your account. So that's a big thing, because I've known people to get cards and not spend the minimum amount in the minimum time, and they've lost out on getting 100,000 points. So it's a good idea to write it down in your diary or on your phone, so you make sure that you do spend that spend to get the points, because that's a big bonus. Another thing to remember with these cards and the rules, if it's 60 days, if it's within 60 days, you have to spend 3,000 or 4,000, whatever the card asks of you. It's 60 days from the day your card was approved, not from the day you get it in your letterbox, from the day the card was approved. So just one little tip to remember, people out there that haven't done this before, watch very carefully of all these rules and make sure you abide by them. Otherwise, you're not going to get those bonus points. So I hope you've found this review helpful in getting you a big lump sum of points for your Qantas frequent flyer account. Hopefully you're on the way to applying for a new card, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.